Hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I'm going to do problems 11 and 12 from tonight's homework about perpendicular lines. We're finding the equation of a line that's perpendicular to this given line, intercept 1, down 1 over 5, and through this point, negative 1, 5. So if I draw a perpendicular line here, let's see, it has to go through this point and be perpendicular, so I'm going to rotate it till we find about perpendicular, and it looks like it's about somewhere in here. So this is the equation of the line that we're going to find. And our equations always start out y equals mx plus b. And our first step is to drop this slope down, but we need to make sure we do the opposite reciprocal slope. That means instead of being a negative, we change it into a positive, and instead of being 1 over 5, we change it into 5 over 1. So that is our new slope. Alright, step 2, let's go ahead and plug in this point. We have negative 1 for the x, y negative 5, so I put a negative 5 here. I'm going to change this back to 5, and the negative 1 here, plus b. Drop a line, use our algebra. Let's see here, that's negative 5 plus b. Add 5, gone. B is 0. My equation is y is equal to 5x plus 0, or better yet, let's just say y is equal to 5x. Let's see if this makes sense. Does this graph look like it crosses at 0? Well, yeah, very close. Does it look like it's going up by 5? Up 5 over 1? Sure. That's a good answer. Number 12. All right, we have the same thing. Line that's perpendicular to this equation. And here's that equation, negative 4 up. Let me fix the paper here. Negative 4 up 1, 2, 3 over 1. That's the line. Through the point, 3, negative 4. And always make sure on your graphs you label it x and y, and you label your scale. This is 3, negative 4. All right, here we go. Y equals mx plus b. Drop the slope down. Opposite reciprocal, remember? Opposite reciprocal, and it will be y is equal to 1/3 but negative. And put a point, x, y goes here, x is here. I'm going to write the x as 3 over 1 so I can use it in a fraction. Let's solve this equation. Negative 4, this would be negative 3 over 3 would be a negative 1 plus b. Add this to this side and we have b is equal to 3. Equation y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 3. Well, let's see if that makes sense. Well, I never drew my line, but I'm going to go ahead and draw that now. If I'm going through this point and I want to move it to a right angle, looks like this. Go ahead and mark a right angle in there. Is this line crossing at about 3? Well, this doesn't look like 3 to me. So we have a problem here. Let's see here. If I added 1 here and added 1 here, negative 4 plus 3 would be a negative 3. So this answer is going to be a negative 3 down here. All right, that makes more sense. And is this line going down 1 over 3? Well, let's see. Down 1 over 3. Does that look like it makes sense? Everything checks out. Answer is reasonable. Always draw this graph so you can find errors like this in your work. All right, I hope this helps.